The National Weather Service in Tinian has issued a tornado warning for central Guam and Guam until 8:15 p.m. Chamorro Standard Time. At 7:45 p.m. Chamorro Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mangialao, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hagata Heights and Asan around 7:50 p.m. Chamorro Standard Time, Dedido, and Tamuning around 7:55 p.m. Chamorro Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.